Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the checkout button color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. This opens the themes page. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In the filter, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, it's blank. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit hostube.net. The link's in the description with the code we'll use in this video. We'll click the button to copy the script. Clicking will copy the script. Let's go back to Shopify and paste our code in the blank line. After pasting, we'll set up 2 lines. One to change the checkout button's background color and another for its text. To change the button color, you'll edit the code. I've put an example color, you'll change it. Just find the hashtag and replace the color code with your desired one. If you don't know the code for your color, visit HTML color codes. There, you can pick a color from the palette and see its code. Then you'll simply go to the hashtag, delete the code, and add the new code with the hashtag. Below that is the button text color, which you can change by entering the color name. By default, it's set to white, but you can choose any color you want. To change the text color to black, just type black. If you want blue, simply type blue. Remember, you need to enter the color name in English. After making these changes, go to the top right and click the Save button. Once clicked, changes will be saved and you can access your cart. In your cart, you'll see the checkout button color has been updated successfully as you configured it. I hope this video was helpful.